Alright guys, here's how to board a ship in Windrose. First you need to disable an enemy ship. Once it's ready, you'll see a sword icon above it. That's your signal that you can board. Before going in, it's usually a good idea to clear out other nearby ships so you don't get interrupted mid-boarding. Now move your ship close to the disabled one. Slows down as you approach, because if you slow down your ship, it will be easier for you to turn, which will eventually help you line up properly. Once you're alongside the ship, press space to start boarding. Your crew will automatically jump over and begin fighting. From here, you can either join the fight or play it safe. If your health is low, let your crew handle most of the work. They are great for distracting enemies and they respawn pretty quickly, so there is no need to worry too much about them. You can jump in, land a few hits, then back off and repeat, or an even safer option, stay on your ship and use your pistol to shoot enemies from a distance while your crew fights. This is one of the easiest way to win without risking yourself. After defeating around 7 enemies, the boarding will be successful. One important tip, try not to die during boarding. Recovering your items can be tricky and you might lose some of them. Once everything's done, go around and pick up any remaining loot and you're all set. So yeah, that's it. This is exactly how you'll able to board in Windrose. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.